Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are here to learn phonetics and I'll be covering all the key pronunciation challenges that Tamil speakers often face. Make sure you don't miss any videos from this series by subscribing to my channel and tapping the bell icon. So, shall we begin today's lesson? Today's lesson is about how to pronounce Schwa sound. What is this Schwa sound? This is a sound that vowel letters got. vowel lettersக்கு நிறைய pronunciation இருக்குது, நிறைய sounds இருக்குது அப்படின்ற விஷயம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? என்னோட சேனலில் vowel lettersோட 2 types of sound நான் ஆல்ரெடி லெசனாக உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். Those are short vowel sound and long vowel sound. If you didn't watch those videos, you can try it out. I'll keep the link of that video in the description box. Next sound is Schwa sound. So vowel letters contains another sound which is Schwa sound, which is a neutral sound. It means எல்லா vowel lettersுமே ஒரே சவுண்டை கொண்டிருக்கும். In different words, வெவ்வேறு வேர்ட்ஸில் 5 vowel lettersும் தனித்தனியாக வரக்கூடிய சில சந்தர்ப்பங்களில் ஒரே விதமான ஒரு சவுண்டை கொடுக்குது. What is the sound? A sound. Let's see example words. First one, about. இந்த இடத்துல A letter கொடுக்கக்கூடிய sound about. Next word, banana. ஸோ இந்த வேர்டில் வரக்கூடிய 2 A letters நான் ரெட் கலரில் கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த 2 A letters-உம் ஷ்வா சவுண்டை கொடுக்குது. banana, banana. Next, ago, ago. Zebra, zebra. Account, account. Alarm, alarm. Got it? You can try it out. Next, let's see the schwa sounds of E letter. Let's see some words. Angel, angel. The letters I have given in red color is got schwa sound. Silent, silent. Open, open. Enemy, enemy. Chicken, chicken. Camel, camel. Next one is for I letter, which is also got the same sound. Pencil, pencil. Animal, animal. Family, family. Capital, capital. Cousin, cousin. Next is for O letter. Other, other. Season, season. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Second, second. Pilot, pilot, pilot. Wisdom, wisdom. Next one is for U letter. Album, album. Upon, upon. virus, virus. Famous, famous. Success, success. Supply, supply. Have you got this? So if you want to practice, go back to the beginning of the video and try to sound all those words on your own. Try it several times. Then you will get familiarized with these schwa sounds of the vowel letters. Fix your pronunciation problems perfectly and talk as a native. For that, subscribe my channel and tap to the bell icon. Then you will get all the notifications of the videos in this channel. So let's meet with another pronunciation video. Until that, take care and practice well.